I am at the beautiful Brasada Ranch, about 20 miles from Bend, Oregon, and it got me thinking about what is the difference between a second or vacation home versus like an investment property. So there's a lot of great places in Oregon, Washington, Idaho, where people love to visit and vacation and use it as a second home. And essentially what it is, a second home or vacation home is a home you live in part-time, generally in a vacation destination, or it could be in another area or state. Maybe you travel for work. Essentially what it's meant for is your occupancy part-time. Now, there are riders to second home loans where you're able to, without management involved, you're able to maybe limit the rentals you can have on a second home within the first 12 months. After 12 months, it's opened up to give you much more flexibility. But the one big mistake I see people making when they're financing what they call second homes or vacation homes is they end up renting that out, or especially in the first 12 months, doing short-term rentals or having management companies renting those out. Well, those have to be taken out as investment properties, because as intense as it sounds, if you don't, that's occupancy fraud. And it's gotten so bad where people were taking out second or vacation home loans to get lower rates that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac under FHFA came out and said, hey, we're going to increase the rates on these now for risk-based pricing because so many people are abusing what these were meant for. So the second home and vacation homes, the minimum down payment is still 10%, but the rates have unfortunately increased on those based off people misusing the occupancy meant for these properties. I'm looking at a little lizard running around down here. So just understand that if your goal is to rent a property, especially right after closing or within the first 12 months, or short-term rent it, or have a management company rent it, you have to take it out as a non-owner occupied investment property. That doesn't mean you can't still visit the property, but if you want to publicly list that and have it income producing, you've got to do it the right way as far as financing type. So second homes do have some options with a rider you want to review on your rider note, but just understand that there are limitations on that as well. So hope that helps on what a second and vacation home is versus an investment property.